Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, we will discuss one of the most powerful off-page SEO link building campaigns that you can build and ways that you could build local SEO backlinks, some of the best backlinks for either free or next to nothing. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have gone ahead and compiled a list of over 2,000 different schools. Now, these are universities and colleges, all .edu. Now, scholarship links were very popular years back, but they have been downplayed. We are not going to use the scholarship method. However, there are much more ethical ways of building .edu links that are extraordinarily powerful, and that's exactly what we will discuss. So I will leave this resource in the description below, and then along with that, below in the resources, I will leave advanced search operators so you too can find the links that we will discuss about in today's video. So let's just go ahead and show you some of the types of links, and what we are discussing is not scholarship, but the types of links that we are discussing will be local resource pages on .edu sites that are ultra powerful. We'll talk about discounts, store discounts, employee discounts, student discounts. If you have an e-commerce store or a local website, this is very simple for you to accomplish, and it's underutilized by your competition. So this is absolutely recommended. You can really go completely nuts with this type of campaign, but you want to keep things as relevant as possible. However, if you want to build more and more links that are powerful like this is the way that you can do it, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through some of the process. So again, I'll leave the resource for all the schools so you can dive in and find some more for yourself, and along with that, I will leave some of the search strings that you can use, and then you can search for local resources, things along that line to make it easy, copy paste, so you could go out and find these. But let me just show you some of the links that I'm talking about that you can acquire. So this right here, what I've brought up is a stvincent.edu. This is a DA55 school. It's a .edu. Now, what I'm pointing out here is these are considered local attractions. This would be one of the search strings, local attraction. And these are the types of things. And each of these times that you click in, it takes you deeper and shows you more and more lists of places that link out from this school. This is only one site. So as you can see, look at, they're listing on a school site pizza shops and things along those lines. As you can see, I've highlighted them with the Moz toolbar. These are do follow links, as you can see. So followed, we have highlighted in green. Now let's just go take a look here. Now these are what you would call discounts. This is at sunny.edu. Again, this is just one. And as you can see, they are offering different categories to students and employees. You can see here, this is a DA69 website. Now, there are much more powerful links. However, a DA69 from a .edu, if you're offering and it's on a page that's only about the type of resource that you have, you can make a page that's just for discounts with a discount code just for students. So not only are you helping students, but you're helping yourself get an ultra powerful and relevant link because it's based on a page that is related to your service, surrounded by other businesses that are just like your service. Now, this is not unethical like building scholarship links unless you are giving the scholarship. This is very ethical. This would be considered a white hat link building campaign, in my opinion. And let's move on. Now, there are some other ways to build links. This would probably be the easiest. And to acquire links such as this is a DA91 site. On almost every and any site that you go to, that is related to a school, when you scroll down the bottom, there's always two types of buttons that you'll see: resources and donation. Now, this type of site, as you can see, alumni and donor, as you can see here, and that's a search string, will be left in the bottom. In the description, I'll give you search strings so you can find sites like this. Now, donations will vary. However, there are some sites that allow a donation of anything, and they'll list you on their page. I would not recommend those. However, when there's a minimum, but if you could acquire a link that's a DA91, and not only are you helping a school, but you're acquiring a DA91 link and it was $50, was that $50 well spent? So in any case, I just want to show you, these are 3 examples. So you have your discounts, and I'll go ahead and just name off just a couple, but again, look in the description below. I'll leave you some search strings, advanced operator search strings that you can use to find links just like this. Local resource pages that you're offering admissions, accommodations, local restaurants. Also a wonderful string is inurl is visiting. And let me go ahead and give you one tip if you have made it this far. A really powerful way to get .gov backlinks is by putting in a search string all in text. Let's just go head over to Google and I'll show you what these advanced strings would look like. So it's all in text, and then you just simply put a colon. Here's one in the search bar: .edu posted job. That's another way you can post jobs to students, post jobs to employers, and this is another way to acquire free .edu backlinks that are ultra powerful, and this is a very underutilized tactic. It's ethical and it's powerful, and I think it's absolutely something worth sharing. If you have any questions about this method, about other strategies, white hat, gray hat, if there's anything that I can help you with, leave it in the comments below. I hope that this has provided value. Take a look in the description for the search strings, along with the link to my resource page, which I have accrued and put together for you guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO, link building, digital marketing video. Have a wonderful day.